In a neon cinema lobby, Spider-Man, Wonder Woman, and Darth Vader clash in a fast-paced snack duel that crackles with energy. Spider-Man fires witty quips about webs and popcorn, while Wonder Woman twirls a destiny-laden lasso and snatches a cone. Vader lets out a dramatic breath and taunts that the Force outmatches stale snacks as the crowd roars. A secret popcorn machine sprouts gears, turning a portal, and the trio tumbles into a rebooted universe of cheeky punchlines. They discover the villain is a ruthless critic seeking chaos and drop a final zinger that lands.